You will love the features of this 2023 Hyundai Ioniq 5. This uniquely designed Hyundai Ioniq 5 is poised to transport you into a clean, bright future. Enter its stylish, spacious interior and discover the comfortable, convenient, and connected features it has to offer. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, head-up display, lane departure warning, panoramic roof, hands-free liftgate, all-wheel drive, navigation system, sun, moon roof, keyless entry, backup camera. Feel the optimism that flows through this future-ready Ioniq 5. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.